Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display some text when you click on one of your letters in your animated name or word project. All right, so under the Looks tab, we have 4 different options for displaying text. So let me drag out each one of these so you can see what they do. Okay, so right now I'm in my letter C sprite. So when I click on this, it will say hello for the letter C for 2 seconds and then it goes away. Now, if I click on this one, and it doesn't say 2 seconds, it just keeps going forever. We're gonna be here a while. All right, so I press stop. Okay, so the other option is think. So it's the same idea, except it's a little thought bubble instead of a speech bubble. And the same thing like before, we can make it think forever or until we have it think nothing. And then it goes away. Okay, cool. So I want to make it so that when I click on the sprite, though, it actually says something about the person that I'm creating this project about, okay? Or the word, if you're creating a word. So I'm going to have it so that when I click on this particular sprite, it's going to say hello. So now when I click on the letter C, it's going to say hello. And then when I click on any of the other letters, it does nothing. And the reason why is because every single one of these sprites has its own code. I don't want to make it so that when I press C, all of the sprites do the exact same thing. I want to have it so every single letter does something different. So to do that, all I have to do is just go to a different sprite and say like H. And then on this one, by the way, I dragged it on top of the sprite and that kind of saves it. So that's the shortcut for doing it. But I'll show you how to do it again just by dragging it from here. Okay, so each one of these has different code. So hello when I press C, H when I press H, and I when I press I. All right, so now when I click on the letters, when I press C, it says hello. When I click on the H, it says H, and when I click on I, it says I. And then when I click on the other sprites, it does nothing because I have not coded those letters yet. I've only coded these 3. So in your project with your word or name that you're animating, for every single one of the letters, you're going to add in a different event. Like when you click on it, it's going to say or think something. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.